every house have a story, and every story is different.
And today we will talk about mine. Yeah, you're wondering why the sad face, right? So let's go ahead to know my story. Yeah, this is my mom and my father next to her.
We can do this without. No. Push into your bum. Bring those legs right back. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Go on then.
Okay, I will be honest. This is not my parents. And obviously not me, but just getting you the idea. I said I promise to start from the beginning, So unfortunately I don't have the old clip, I made the birth clip, Anyway, who wants to see his mom suffering? I mean, this is kind of weird. Okay, chill out. So yeah, I mean, I'm alive. I'm here, okay? This is kind of start to be strange movie, but okay. Skip this, me talking bullshit, and let's continue.
So Asya was born in Mecca in Saudi Arabia. And who don't know, Mecca is this. So it's the holy place in earth, and especially for Muslim. In 1994, when the president of US was Bill Clinton. What I have a year, I can say that it was a good or a bad year because things start. So let's just call it a year.
And what happened after that? Okay, guys, what happened after that is like that, okay? So I grew up, I was having like 5 years old, like that, and we get back to Morocco. We left my country. I'm being animal right now, being emotional. Sorry, joking. But yeah, so like going back to Morocco, I studied a little bit, having high grades when everyone was expecting I'm going to medicine college. When I end up with another college does have no thing to do with what I study in high school. Shit. Sorry. Had to be violent to my panda. You're fine. You're fine. Okay. So yeah, because I study mathematics and I go into tourism and hospitality college. Okay. So yeah, this is the story. Okay. It took another part, like life took always another part. And yeah, this is kinda makes me sad thinking about it, but not the whole story. So wait until the end.
But the sad story didn't just end here. Starting with a good, bright future to being miserable right now.
Remind me of the musical of Victor Hugo, Life of John Valjean. That was sucks, the cute about the story is that he never gives up, And no matter how hard this becomes, he continues because he believes in the power of the magic that one day he becomes who he wants to be. And look into these stories a million of, let me deeply think about what I'm doing with my life, why my life can never change. It's like feels that I like turning it same circle over and over. Do you have that feeling? I mean, it's let me always question myself, what did I do wrong?
Maybe Asia didn't do anything wrong, but life took her to another path that she needs really to change her life and to do something about it. And that's what we will do today. We will try to change her life for better, to fly high in the sky.
First thing is stop complaining, because it's okay to not be okay. And the second is accept who you are, because obviously you're different than others. And the third is get rid of any negative habits, personal trait, to be free as you wish. And fourth is start planning. Planning can save us from many things, and especially control our life.
Yeah, it seems like a good advice, guys, but it's like, I think it's hard in real life because it's kind of habit right now, and I don't know if you do it easily, like get rid of habits in that quick, but I know that it's gonna take a while. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna like start doing this, and the most important, I take a notebook and I will do some plan for like my life. But yeah, I mean, like maybe it's gonna be simple at the first. I'm gonna just go ahead and do like my work schedule, you know. So after maybe add just one habit, and I'm gonna go ahead and choose workout maybe is gonna be for me after work, maybe at 7 to 8. So yeah, so I'm just gonna do one thing just like to start, and after maybe can add some more additional. And I believe too that you can do the same, like start only with one thing you wanted to do that's make you motivate, make you to change, want to change, and you like it, of course. So this is gonna be as start as we do right now. So let's do this.
So this is my schedule, and you can choose the time you're free at, so you can do your schedule as well. So this is the first habit that we can add to our schedule. This still will be a habit that we must develop starting from this year 2022.
Guys, let's start.
A dream can become true. Just start today, cause 1% today is 100 tomorrow.